Hello, what's up mga bossing? Gaming PC build ba ang hanap mo? Mayroon tayong physical store dito sa Gilmore, Infinite Plus Tech Corporation. Mayroon tayong gaming PC build na AMD Ryzen 5 4600G na mayroon siyang Vega 7 graphics with monitor na 24 inches na View Plus 75Hz. Sa price natin mga bossing, comment lang kayo below. Bibigyan ko kayo ng best discounts. So samahan niyo akong i-build ang gaming PC. Let's go!
Processor natin is AMD Ryzen 5 4600G na mayroon siyang Vega 7 graphics. Mayroon tayong motherboard na Asus Prime A320 DAS-K, 8GB DDR4 memory, 2666 frequency at Kingston 256GB SSD para mas mabilis mag-boot up. Sonic Megatron with included 4 pieces RGB fan, 4-in-1 MMA combo with keyboard, mouse, headset, extended mousepad, 700 watts power supply, 24 inches 75Hz View Plus LED monitor at Z213 Logitech speaker at syempre meron kasabang AVR.